Hello everybody. So I'm gonna do test of these heaters today. Gonna make some tea as well. If anything wrong, I have backup plan. Okay, also we did some Christmas lighting in between the shells of the tent, which looks nice and festive. Christmas winter camping. That's cool. Yeah, as you can see, you have snow outside. It's -6 I think or something. Okay. Okay, inside the tent. 2.4. Let's see how effective it is. Okay, as you can see, the tent is organized. I'm wearing red, Christmassy. I have a red pillow, Christmassy. That one is not to the party. I have this like hoodie thing, also red, and one more red thing, four red things. So I have 3 sleeping bags. And that one is like full, those are summer ones, and extra padding. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it, but it's good to have it, at least as a pillow. Okay, let's make some tea. So we have this thing in a position. You can fill. Let's crank the heat up. When it comes to the price, one of the best teas I would like to buy is Twinings Earl Grey. So far I feel cozy. Under my clothes, I'll tell you what temperature we are having. 20 degrees. Sure, sufficient. Let's check ambient temperature on the floor. 4.3. So far so good. I'll watch a movie or something, and I'm gonna update you about the heat then. Numbers gets after a while. inside temperature is 14.2, so it's fully efficient. Let's check the outside.
Mississippi. Where next? Where they're headed.
Only -1. So 16 degrees difference. Feel cozy. It's a nice movie. Nice lamps around. I'll finish the movie. I'm gonna be moving till the next time. Okay, so after an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, watched some movie, kept it on minimum power of heating. What I can say, the heat stays more or less in one place in a tent. In here it's really cold, maybe 5 degrees or so. My legs are. But over here, and it's decent. 17.5, where my front is, my back is probably half that. But with a few more sleeping bags, you can easily sleep during the night, do anything. You should never sleep with this thing on because of CO2. Kill you.